Hello all. Today in the video I will show how to install cheat menu for the game Csgo without viruses and is absolutely free. And so we begin. First disable antivirus in the settings, otherwise the cheat will not be installed correctly and may not work. Then follow the link from the description and install the archive with the installer on your PC. Now we need to unpack it to a convenient place, open it and throw it on the desktop. The password to open CS1234. Now open the unpacked folder and run the setup file, after which the window with the installer will open. The cheat is automatically injected into the game, so that the system does not see your cheat, and do not ban you. The cheat is running. Now we can go into the game and check its performance. So, we are in the game, and in order to open the menu and enable the desired functions, we need to press the del button. As you can see, the cheat works perfectly. It has many built-in functions, and you can control them in the menu settings of the cheat.